temperament.
All right, guys. So I don't have a ton of this, so instead of doing personals tonight, I thought I'd do some of these. I can do this tonight and tomorrow, and then, like I said, I've got more stock coming in. I think I've got 20 more boxes of this coming in. Not very much. I have no more Bowman Draft coming in. All the Bowman Draft I have that's it. My Bowman Draft Sapphire is done after this. Kevin Kiermaier, nice card. Kevin Kiermaier, he's a Ray. Spanky. Justice Sheffield. Justice Sheffield, nice card. Mookie Betts. No, I can't do, I told everybody no on personal, so. Josh James. Same place everybody could, really. Iglesias. Go straight to blow up. Trey Mancini. Byron Buxton. And bonus color? Yes. Bonus color? It's a stadium. Kansas City. Kauffman Stadium, Kansas City. Ooh, Pete Alonso. Nice card for the Mets. I'm good, Robbie. What's up? Doing all right? Tony Kemp. So no really very good color tonight. Well, first two boxes. I didn't like their color. I did like their rookies. Tortuga. Jack Flaherty. Sheffield rookie. 2 packs left. Alcantara. And that's it, guys. That's it. Hit a big rookie, though. So, congratulations to the Mets. Who's got the Mets? F. Zayas. Well, congratulations. That's a nice card. Tortuga, Tony Kemp, Pete Alonso, Kansas City, Justice Sheffield, and Kevin Kiermaier. So, really nice Alonso break one. You know, just 2 boxes. So, you know, it's nice to hit a big rookie out of 2 boxes. It's about $200-ish for the Alonso. Maybe a little less right now, because there's no baseball. Nice hit. I like it quite a bit.